Hello, you guys. Welcome back to another episode here on The Greens Go. Today, we are at Warner Brothers Studio Backlot Tour, and we're so excited. We're going to bring you guys along with us on this tour. We're going to check it out together. Let's go. There's a brand new show that's being filmed on the Warner Brothers lot called Our Flag Means Death, and it's directed by Taika Waititi. You can actually see some of the props being used by the show as well as the set builds. So a lot of the facades on the back lot are built to look like different areas, different cities, different places in the world. Some of film's magic also included creating 3D illusions from some of these facades. So rather than building out, what they would do is paint onto the actual building. As you can see here, this is one of the walls that can be used during filming to create the feel that there's an actual door here. So off camera though, you quickly can realize it's just a painting, but if you angle the camera the right way, it will create this illusion that there's a door here.
Ellen sits right somewhere around here.
So we're actually on Ellen's set right now, and she has one last season, I guess, that she's shooting. How cool is this though? We're on Ellen's set. This is pretty cool, you guys. I've actually never been on a set before. I've never actually watched a live show or taping, but this is really neat to be actually walking on a set for an actual TV show. All right, you guys, so we just finished up. We're in stage 48 right now, and we're gonna go ahead and check out the coffee shop from Friends. We've got Central Perk right behind me, and we've got some other fun things in this actual stage here that they've made for the guests that are doing the Backlot Tour. And if you start getting hungry, you can actually pick up some food over at Central Perk. They've got a list of different items to purchase. Hot sandwiches, wraps, salads, pizza. They've got cold and hot beverages as well. All right, you guys, for all those people that are in love with the show Friends, you're seriously gonna geek out right now. Let's go. This is just one of the amazing photo ops that you get to do while on this tour. So for anyone who's a Friends fan, you gotta do this.
In 3, 2, and 1.
One of the next photo op areas that we have here is a replicated stage for The Big Bang Theory.
This isn't a good time. It's before he became a creepy computer boy.
We have Sheldon and Leonard's apartment, completely replicated. We have all the different decorations, their books, their living room set that you'll see on the show that has been completely reconstructed and put together as a photo opportunity for anyone that is on this tour.
So this is a replica from one of my favorite movies, Casablanca.
Play it, Sam. Play as time goes by.
Well, I can't remember it myself. I'm a little rusty on it.
Before, when we did this in 2016, you actually could go through the actual prop department, and then I believe they actually had the actual one there. But unfortunately, I think due to COVID, you can no longer go through the prop departments. Hopefully they bring that back. Let's go check out some more stuff.
Raise your hands up in the air.
Spent probably 2 hours in there, and I should have not been in there that long, but I did. Yeah, they have a little bit of everything.